Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house.
So it's Vlogmas Day 8. And of course the TV would come on now. But it's Vlogmas Day 8, y'all. Let me turn this TV down. I fixed my bed this morning. Great way to get the day started just right. Loving my new comforter set. And I may not have mentioned, but I did order satin pillowcases to go with this set, because y'all know with my color treated hair, I definitely have to make sure that I keep this hair intact. And of course, hubby, ooh, he hates a bonnet in the bed, honey. Some old rag on your head. That ain't gonna happen up in here. So we gotta keep it cute. Keep it cute. So fix the bed and cleaned off the top of my nightstand. I know, y'all, we got a hell of a big nightstand, right? Yeah, that's how we do it. Just because of the space, we have very little closet space. So these were actually painted by us, which we didn't do a great job at it. But this was one of the girls, it was Maddie's. Formerly it was white, and it was so difficult to paint this thing, but we did what we could do. But this is what we use as our nightstands. And y'all remember my little perfume tray I just got, or it's a 360 organizer, so it's really, really cool. I love it so much. And y'all remember my DIY bed tray that I did, which I don't put it on the beds that often because, you know, when Mikey lays down in the evening, I really hate for him to have to deal with taking it off. I also put my jewelry for the day on the tray as well. So, anywho, y'all, I'm so proud of me. I finally finished going through all of my undergarments, and I have basically put everything in kind of color code sections. Hopefully I can keep it like this, but because of the fact that now I have more sets than anything, so I went ahead and put all of the sets together. Instead of having the bras in one drawer and my panties in the other drawer, I went ahead and just put all of the sets together with the bras and everything matching in, you know, a certain drawer. So beige and blue, purple, and let's redo this here. Okay, this little set here. Let's bring her over here, over there. So, and these are all of my like kind of spank like penny girdles and stuff like that. Got tons of nudes because I wear those under my, you know, stage wear when I'm on shows. And yeah, so I really don't have anything colorful. The only thing that I got a little bit colorful was that kind of lavender set that I got from Savage X Fenty. So we're gonna up the game and shop for more lingerie. But you know, normally, what do we wear? Basic black, nude. I don't even have any white anymore. So that is it. But I have everything sectioned off in there. Okay. Perfect. And kind of just thrown in here are really like my sports bras that, you know, I work out in, or just everyday kind of sports bras and stuff like that. So that's all that's in that drawer there. And of course this drawer didn't get much use, of course. These are all of my swimsuits. Again, everything is mainly like black. I think I have one white one, a blue, and of course the leopard print there. So now this top drawer here, all that's in here are like my chemises, stuff like that. Little, what do you call those things? Teddies and stuff. So that's all that's in there. I don't really have gowns. You know, I really don't wear them. I'm either like in the buff or with the robe on. That's about it. But these are just, you know, some little cutie things that I will wear, you know, underneath my robe, or, you know. All right. Y'all know we lit the tree, so it is still twinkling away. Never turn it off until we get ready to take it down. But I did buy another string of lights here, and I swear it looks like some of them aren't burning, but I guess they just twinkle gently over here. But that's the tree. Let me give you a full look of it. And of course, I say it's not as tall as the other ones that we've had in the past. And I don't even know. We cut the tag off, or might cut the tag off before he brought it in the house. So I'm not even sure which kind of tree it is. So, anywho, there she is, all lit up. And yes, the guinea boys are over here relaxing. They should have a full belly by now. They just ate. I just gave them some lettuce and pieces of tomato. There the boys are, back in the cut there. Yeah. Say hey y'all. What's happening? Trying to get a good angle of them, so, and try not to make them run away. Because they're very skittish, you know it. Hey boy, hey boy. They're not as skittish, of course, as they used to be. More domesticated and tamed now. But he's still gone. And there's Biscuit back there. That was Jam that ran away. Bye, y'all. No, it's not morning time, but I'm getting ready to cook some breakfast. Probably some bacon, eggs, rice for Maddie and I. Mikey has already left for work, and the working retired man, but he's already left really early this morning, probably like about 7:30, which is really early for me. But anywho, let me cook this breakfast, y'all.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire.
All right, y'all, I'm getting ready to go pick out. For real, I need a little energy. So guess what? I'm gonna catch y'all on the next vlog, okay? This is Vlogmas Day 8. And thanks for hanging out with me for just a brief moment today, okay? If you know, I feel like it and I might get cute and come back live to you. But if I don't, I'll see you on Vlogmas Day 9. Like, comment, subscribe, and please share your girl with your world. I'll see ya. Bye-bye.
I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this